BitMart Card represents a new era in financial convenience, seamlessly linking your cryptocurrency holdings to a payment card. With this innovative solution, you can spend your digital assets just like traditional currency, whether shopping online, making in-store purchases, or withdrawing cash from compatible ATMs. The card is accepted globally wherever Visa is supported, offering flexibility and ease of use. By bridging the gap between crypto and everyday spending, BitMart Card empowers users to manage and utilize their assets with confidence and simplicity. This integration marks a significant step forward in making digital currencies practical for daily life. The BitMart Card empowers users to access and spend their cryptocurrency funds almost anywhere in the world. Linked directly to your BitMart account, this card allows seamless transactions and cash withdrawals at any ATM that supports Visa. Whether you're traveling or shopping locally, the BitMart Card brings digital assets into everyday life. However, it's important to note that certain countries and regions may have restrictions due to regulatory compliance. These limitations are in place to adhere to international standards set by organizations such as OFAC, the United Nations, and the FATF. Despite these exceptions, the BitMart Card remains a versatile solution for global spending and managing crypto assets. Registering for the BitMart Card is designed to be straightforward, with a focus on security and compliance. To begin, users must complete Level 2 identity verification, also known as KYC ELV2. This process requires submitting personal information and verifying your identity to meet regulatory standards. In some cases, additional documentation may be requested to further ensure the safety and legitimacy of your account. These steps help protect users and maintain the integrity of the platform. By following the registration guidelines, you can access the benefits of the BitMart Card with confidence in the security of your digital assets. BitMart Card is now available to users in Vietnam, offering a seamless way to connect your cryptocurrency holdings with everyday spending. Residents can easily register for the card, including the convenient option of a virtual card, which can be used for both online and in-person transactions. The card links directly to your BitMart Spot account, allowing you to spend or withdraw funds at any Visa-supported ATM. This integration brings added flexibility and accessibility for managing digital assets in daily life. With BitMart Card, Vietnamese users can experience the benefits of cryptocurrency without sacrificing convenience or security. The BitMart Card is designed to connect directly with your BitMart Spot account, allowing you to access and use your crypto assets with ease. Whenever you make a purchase or withdraw cash from a Visa-supported ATM, funds are drawn straight from your Spot account balance. This seamless integration eliminates the need for manual transfers or conversions, making everyday spending with cryptocurrency more convenient than ever. Whether you're shopping online, paying at physical stores, or withdrawing cash, your crypto assets are instantly available for use. This innovative approach bridges the gap between digital currencies and real-world transactions, offering flexibility and simplicity for users worldwide. When considering the BitMart Card, it's essential to review regional restrictions and compliance requirements before applying. Due to international regulations and compliance with organizations like OFAC, the United Nations, and FATF, the card is not available in certain countries and territories. Users must complete Level 2 identity verification, and additional documentation may be required during the review process. These measures are in place to ensure the security and legality of all transactions. By understanding these requirements, users can determine their eligibility and make informed decisions about utilizing BitMart Card services. BitMart Card represents a new era in financial flexibility, allowing users to seamlessly connect their cryptocurrency accounts to everyday spending. With global usability, the card enables transactions and cash withdrawals at any Visa-supported ATM, making digital assets more accessible than ever. Users in Vietnam and many other countries can easily register and start using both virtual and physical cards. The registration process includes identity verification to ensure security and compliance. By linking directly to your BitMart Spot account, the card transforms cryptocurrency into a practical payment method for daily expenses. Restrictions do apply in certain regions due to regulatory requirements, but for eligible users, BitMart Card offers a convenient and innovative way to manage digital assets. This solution bridges the gap between the world of crypto and real-world financial needs.